Some powerful stories aren't told in words. They're built right here in South Boston, Virginia. It began in 1967 on land that once grew tobacco, when a small team set out to build something new, a transformer factory with a bold purpose, not just to make transformers, but to power lives. Through the decades, the name evolved, from Westinghouse to ABB to Hitachi Energy. But one thing never changed: the people. Generations of families and communities, crafting, learning, building together. Because here, it's more than manufacturing. It's pride in every detail, care in every connection, a legacy passed from one generation to the next. What's built here doesn't stay here. These transformers carry power to homes, to hospitals, to industries, to the technology shaping our future, quietly, reliably, every single day. Today, as the world demands more electricity than ever before, this factory and communities are rising to meet the moment with bold investments, new capabilities, and a vision to build one of the largest transformer manufacturing hubs in the United States. Building on our legacy, nearly 60 years later, our promise to the U.S. and American people, made here with pride in Virginia, to power American lives.